In this video, I will show you how to delete Siri history on iPhone. So let's get started. It's really easy to delete Siri history from your iPhone. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Siri and search. On Siri and search screen, tap Siri and dictation history. On Siri and dictation history page, you will find a button Delete Siri and dictation history. If you are sure to delete the Siri history, then tap Delete Siri and Dictation History. And all the searches made on Siri will be deleted. So that is how you can delete Siri history on iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.